A single touch of an emoji earns you $30, while a second click earns you $60. When you tap this emoji 10 times to receive $300, there are no restrictions. You can work as much as you want, whenever you want, just by using a phone or computer. You can start making money right away if you only watch this quick video and adhere to my directions. This method is completely free and requires no investment or outlay of money, so you can use it from anywhere in the world. As we continue to punch emojis and earn plenty of money, stay tuned. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. We should first go to flaticon.com. As you can see, you have access to more than 3 million vector icons, including emojis. You can download all of the icons and emojis on this page for free, and you can use them to make money online. To register, select Register from the menu at the top of the flaticon.com's main page. You're heading to this page so you can join up for the website. Click the blue sign up button after entering your username, email address, and password in the blanks below. Once you've registered for a free account, scroll down to Apps and select the Patterns Generator option. When you click on that link, a page where you can look for other emojis that resembles this will emerge. Simply click and touch on the available emoji on our website to create a new design. Keep watching to the very end because I'll show you how to make the final action to get money with those emojis. Emojis can be seen in this area by just clicking one of the numerous options. Clicking on these emojis as an illustration will cause them to show up here on the canvas. The $sign emoji will reappear as soon as you click on another one, like one of the others. You may use this innovative, user-friendly, and cool software, which is also totally free, to create different emojis. Simply click on them to create different emoji designs. You can look up more icons by clicking on them to see a new design appear in this image in addition to emojis. The strawberry icon, for instance, will recur here if you click on it because you enjoy it. It can be dropped at the desired area by just dragging it there. Just like that, you can create a brand new emoji design with all of these free emojis. You can change the color of the backdrop. By using the background icon on the left, you can select whatever background you want. You are able to choose an orange, blue, or any backdrop color. Continue watching this video to find out how you can leverage these emojis and this design to profit. To download your design, click this green download button after you are finished. Once you've clicked it, you must select PNG format. As you can see, there are other formats, but I urge you to choose PNG. Make sure 350 is the tile size. The image size is 700. However, this is just 350. Click Download Pattern to download the pattern to your computer after you're satisfied. Once more, you can carry out this action on a laptop, a smartphone, or any other gadget. If you wish to create a second design and earn extra money, just click the clear button to completely remove the first one. I normally prefer to click the random pattern button. This is a fantastic tactic, so pay close attention. You are now free to modify the design however you like, such as this one and this watermelon. You can simply drag and drop them wherever you want to add them. Once again, you can alter the background of it. This is a very cool emoji design, and you can use it to create real money. As you can see, after clicking the random pattern option, they will simply provide you with a variety of different done-for-you templates and designs, as well as display various emoji designs. If you continue to pay attention, you will see numerous examples from real life. Once you have a clear understanding of how flaticon.com can be used to quickly click and touch various emojis, click the download option to save the various patterns to your computer or phone. The next step is to visit 99designs.com. You have the opportunity to make a ton of money online by uploading those designs to this website. For instance, if you sold 30 different designs, you could earn $299. You can earn $499 for every 60 different designs you sell, $899 for every 90 designs you sell, and so on. This is one design template that you may use as many times as you wish to create a variety of original emoji patterns. You can start making money online dependent on how many designs you can make by just uploading them to 99designs.com. If you want to make even more money, Use the free program provided by Flaticon.com's random pattern button to accomplish the assignment quickly. This button will provide you access to a range of various done-for-you templates. You can alter the backdrop color if you don't like it. If not, you can quickly produce a variety of random patterns, designs, and templates by clicking this button. Emojis can be included in the design to further increase its professionalism. I'll walk you through setting up a free account on 99designs.com. You can reach this page by clicking the Become a Designer link on this website, which can be found when you go to the bottom of the page under the Resources section. You can scroll down below to find the red Apply Now button. This button will take you to a page where you may register for a free account. Click the I am a designer box and enter your email address and password. Check the I am a designer box and enter your email address and password. You should also check the I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy box and enter your display name here. After filling out all the essential information, click the Register button. Depending on how many concepts you can submit, you can then start uploading to this website and selling your designs for a range of rates. As a bonus, I'll recommend one more service where you can make money with the free emojis you downloaded. Check out Fiverr.com. You can earn money on Fiverr by providing a range of service categories, as you can see by scrolling down the websites. Let's use graphic and design as an example. Look for pattern design under art and illustration in the bottom left corner. This is a brand new gig and category on Fiverr with very no opposition. It's a novel way to make money off the website. Since this is a brand new opportunity, nobody else is currently talking about it. You will be taken to this page after clicking the pattern design link. As you can see, many people are currently offering the services for sale. They are developing design patterns, which you may do for free on Flaticon.com. The item that was just offered to you is the same as this. This is being used by many people who are using Fiverr to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. Take a look at these people. One is being sold for $10, the other for $30, and more than 85 people have provided reviews for the products and services. You can see that if 85 people used the service and each paid you $30, you could earn $2,550 by solely selling specific pattern and emoji designs on this website. Again, the best thing about this is that you can finish it for nothing with Flaticon.com. The Become a Seller button at the top will take you to this page, where you need to click the green Become a Seller button to do so if you want to register a free account and start making money with this new pattern design opportunity. Simply enter your email address and click Continue to proceed. Remember that you can also submit the exact emoji pattern and design that we just spoke about on 99designs.com. Both websites allow simultaneously selling and uploading. You can get 2 completely free streams of passive money using the free emoji generator software, Flaticon. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.